If you're a closer or setter, even a CSM, and you're looking for your next role, let me just quickly go over the job board that we have at the moment. There's a few new updates and they're pretty cool. So if you go to job.nomadiccloser.com, this is what you see. Then you have on the left, you have closers, offers, setters, CSMs. We also have VAs here as well. So if you just scroll down, you see the jobs that we have at the moment. This is our personal job board. We do have another job board where we have thousands of job opportunities. This is the ones that we have. Now, let's say you want to go and apply, right? You go through, you see the one that you want, you've got the information, and you go ahead and open. Once you open, you have a bit more information about the offer. Now, there's two things that happen. Number one is if you are not registered onto our database, the first thing you need to do is go ahead and register. So you click this button and you go ahead and you register. Now, if you have already registered, all you need is your email address. So you click here, you go to apply, and all you've got to do, you've got to add your email address here. Okay. As soon as that happens, you apply straight away. Now, some really cool things here as well. I'll show you the new updates. But first, 97% of all intro videos are getting rejected. That's crazy, right? 97%, which means only 3% of all intro videos that we're receiving are actually landing interviews. Not jobs, not roles, but interviews. So what you need to do is make sure that your intro video stands out. You've only got one chance, right? This is the industry we live in. If your intro video is terrible, it'll be rejected, and you just keep wondering why you can't land a good role. So if you're not 100% confident, there's a few things you can do. One, you can click this button here, or you can click this button up here, which says the video scorecard, and you can actually send in your intro video and it will get reviewed. It's an analyzer that's, we've uploaded over 4,000 intro videos on the best ones, on the worst ones, and what we're looking for, and it gives you out a scorecard. Now, if it's below a certain score, it'll be rejected straight away. If it's above a certain score, then you have a higher chance of getting the interview. So go ahead and do that. If you want to join our school community, click this button here. And in the school community, we teach everything from how to do your intro videos, how to land roles. We have setter training, closer training, network training, AI for closers, and so much more. We're not charging $5 grand, 13 grand like most people do. We're charging only $97 a month. The reason why is because the more we get to know you, the faster we can get you placed. Anyway, that was a little plug. Now, the really cool update here is, let's say you have applied or you want to update your profile. You just click this button here and you go ahead and then you add your email address. So if I add my email address, what I can see my profile, so I can upload or update the intro videos, and I can also see all the jobs that I've applied for and the status, which is an incredible new feature. It's just launched, and this is probably my favorite feature at the moment. Anyway, go ahead, let me know. If you have any questions, I'm here to help.